Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Nice easy one today. I'm going to be showing you how to remove a clutch fan without any special tools. So I'm not going to waste any time. Let's get outside and let's get cracking. Okay then, so here I have a V12 BMW engine, but this process is going to be pretty much exactly the same regardless of engine. So of course, first you do want to gain access to your clutch fan itself. So in our case, we just need to remove this panel here. It's just held in by 4 screws. And now we can see the fan blade wheel itself. Now we do have this shrouding here, but we shouldn't need to remove this. Now if you do need to remove this, obviously remove this first. But in our case, we can gain access to the fan clutch itself. So then, now that we have access to the fitting for the fan clutch where it goes onto the water pump, we can see it takes a 32mm wrench, and traditionally you would need a 32mm wrench and then you need some kind of tool to hold the pulley still, but I'm going to show you how you can do that without using that method. All you're going to want to need is the 32mm wrench and a hammer or a mallet. Okay, so it is important to remember in most cases that the thread for the fan clutch is a reverse thread, so we need to rotate it clockwise to remove it. Now, as you can see, I have my 32mm wrench on the fan clutch itself, and what I'm going to do is use the mallet and just tap down on top of the wrench, and then that should shock it off. Of course, while pushing on the wrench to rotate it clockwise. There we go. That's the fan clutch loose. And now all we simply need to do is just spin the fan blades themselves and the whole assembly should come off. As you can see, that is gradually coming loose off of the water pump. And there we are. That's the whole fan now removed. Now of course, to reinstall the fan we need to do the exact opposite. So of course we need to go anti-clockwise this time. So once the fan is back on, we'll just go ahead and twist it as far as it will go. And that's as far as it will go. It's stopped now. Now of course we need to tighten it down all of the way, so the 32mm wrench is in place. Mallet, a few taps on top. And there we are. That is the clutch fan now back in place. Okay then guys, there we go. Clutch fan removed and reinstalled. Nice and easy, no fancy tools required. All you need is a wrench and a hammer or a mallet. Hopefully this video has been helpful. Please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one. Peace!